So here is our question 6, which reads, write the term indicated in the expansion of each of the following expansions. Okay, so here they want us to simply write the fourth term. Here they want us to write the fifth term. Okay, well, we're going to use this formula, which we are already familiar with. Okay, I think you are able to see the formula, right? Yes, this is the formula we're going to use. How? Well, here they want us to find the fourth term. So our interest is on the fourth term. Well, this is our first term. This is our second term. This is our third term. This is our fourth term. So we are interested on this part. Okay. Here they want us to find the fifth term. So since this is the fourth, this is the fifth part. Okay. Meaning that you can also be able to come up with a formula just hearing the term, okay, which they want you to find. For example, if you hear that you're supposed to find the fourth term, you need to know that your power will have 3. Okay, when you are finding the fifth term, your power will have 4. Okay, so in other words, the terms, okay, will have a higher number than the powers. Okay, so the powers will be less than 1 compared to the specific allocation of the terms, right? So when you see something that has got a power of 4, okay, then they ask you to say what term is that. Okay, what term is that? That term is number what? Okay, so you simply add 1 to the power, any of the power. Okay, so if you have 4 here, then you just know that that is the term number 5. Okay, I think that is clear. I think that is clear. Okay, so well, we have this for this part. So okay, and for this part we're going to have this. Then here we are going to have this. Okay, so let's now solve guys. Okay, so here is all about replacing. Okay, so let's simply replace. Let's replace. So what is our n? Our n is 7, so we'll have 7 minus 1, that's 6. 7 minus 2, that's 5. A, what's our a? Our a is 1, so our a of 1. Then n is 7, right? Yes, so this will be 7 minus 3, that's 4. 1 raised to the power 4, that still remains 1. B, what's our b? Our b is 2y. Our b is 2y. Raised to the power what? Raised to the power 3. Yes guys, yes. So over what? Over 3 factorial. 3 factorial, what is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is same as 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so what's this? Well, this is just 6. Okay, so this is 6, so it'll be like 6 into 6 1, 6 into 6 1, right? Yes guys. Okay, all right, then what's next? Well, This multiplied by this, what are you getting? This multiplied by this, well, me, I'm getting 35. 35 multiplied by what? 35 multiplied by what? This will give you, this will be 2y multiplied by 2y multiplied by 2y, which will give you 8y cubed. Yeah, 8y cubed. Okay, so this multiplied by this, what's the answer? Well, multiplying gives 280 y raised to the power 3. Okay, so this is it, guys, for the fourth term. What about for this side? What about for this side, guys? Well, for this side, we're going to do the same thing. How? We're going to say, what's our n? Our n is 8, so start replacing 8. 8 minus 1, that's 7. 8 minus 2, that's 6. 8 minus 3, that's 5. Right? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Okay. 1. I mean a, right? Yes. So what is my a here? My a is the x. X squared is my a. So x squared raised to the power what? N minus 4. So it will be n is 8. 8 minus 4, that's 4. Right? Then I have my b. What's my b? My b is negative 1 over x there. Raised to the power what? Raised to the power 4. Okay? Alright. Yes. Okay. Yeah, hope this is clear. Alright, so over what? Over 4 factorial. So 4 factorial can also be written as 4 by 3 by 2 by 1. Okay? Yes. Alright, so we're going to say, have you seen this part, right? This multiplied by this is the same as 6, right? So 6 into 6 is 1. 6 into 6 is 1. Right? Yes. What else? 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 8 is 2. Okay? So here we're going to remain with 2. So 2 multiplied by 7, that's 14. Multiplied by 1, 14. Then 14 multiplied by 5. Okay? 5 multiplied by 14. That should be 70. Okay? So it's 14 multiplied by 5. Okay? Yeah, that should be 70. Right. What about for this part? Well, for this part, x squared raised to the power 4. What's the answer here? Well, the answer here is simply x raised to the power 8. Alright, guys. Alright. Multiplied by. Well, what's the answer here? Are we going to get a positive or a negative answer? Well, we are going to get a positive answer. As you can see, the power is even. Right? Yes. So on top here we're going to have 1 itself. Down there we're going to have x raised to the power 4. So when you multiply, we have 70 x raised to the power 8 over x to the power 4. Okay, so this cancels with yeah. So when you cancel out this and this, here on top we are going to remain with x to the power 4. Yeah, I think that is clear. That is clear. Yeah, I think that is clear, guys. All right. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.